Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir. Excuse me, I want to introduce myself to you. My name is Siti Hosinatul Asma. I come from Brebes, Central Java of Indonesia. I'm 25 years old. I'm Muslim. I'm divorced. I have one child. My height is 154 cm. My weight is 47 kg. My last education, junior high school. I have working experience in Jakarta 3 years from 2023 until 2026. My job is take care of a baby, children, housekeeping, cooking, washing, ironing, and go to market. I want go to Hong Kong because I need more money for help my family and my future. I promise working in Hong Kong until finish contract. For years maybe or more. I finish introduce myself to you. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Hong Kong. Bye-bye.